Here's my Cockatiel Beaker. He's in my room hanging out with me. And one thing he loves the noodles out of my instant soups I get. And you see how he is right now? He's just taking it easy, looking all around. Watch once I bring out the soup and see how his attitude changes. Here it is. Oh, hey Beaker. You want some? Oh, you're all excited now, huh? Time for some yummy soup, huh? He loves the noodles. Here you go, Beaker. You see the name on this soup? What's the right way to say that? Maruchan? Maruchan? I don't know. Maruchan Maruchan. Maruchan Maruchan. I don't know. All I know is it's good and it's death high in sodium. And whenever I get my soup out, you see Beaker's reaction. He loves the noodles. I always share with him a few noodles. Oh, he finished his noodle. Okay, time for some more. There you go. There's some more. One time, I gave him too many noodles. And he was trying so hard to eat them all, but he just couldn't. Couldn't quite finish them. And he was just trying and trying to eat more. You know, here is, I guess, a funny magazine cover for a fictional meh magazine. What underachievers read. That's what it says at the top there. And articles in the magazine. How to truly not give a hoot. Take a glance at this. Procrastination, what it is, and how to grow a beard the easy way. My dog ate it. Top 10 classic excuses. Accomplish 2 hours worth of work in an 8-hour period. It's easier than you would think. Yes, it is. Anyhow, back to Beaker. He's almost done with his second noodle. Okay, Beaker. One more noodle for you, one more little one. One more? I always get the hot and spicy chicken ones. I can have a chicken one or a beef one now and again, but I like the extra spicy flavor of the hot and spicy chicken ones. Okay, Beaker. Looks like you're almost done with your noodles. You've had 3 now, and I don't want to give you too many. It'll make you sick, probably. So that's all for this episode about how the Cockatiel loves his noodles. Have you had enough, Beaker? You're going to wipe your beak off. Not on my phone. Oh, Beaker. You like your noodles? Oh, good bird.